Hey everyone, welcome back to Technology. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a cool dripping effect in Canva. It's super easy and you don't need any advanced skills. Let's get started. First, open Canva and click on Create a Design. Now, choose Custom Size. You can enter any dimensions you want. For this tutorial, I'll go with 800 by 1200 pixels. Now, go to the Elements tab and search for Dripping Shape. Scroll down and choose the one you like. Resize and adjust it however you want. This will be the base for our effect. You can change the color to match your design. For now, I'll keep it black. Once you're happy with it, click on Share. Then Download. And make sure to select PNG with a transparent background. Now, let's move to the next step. Go to erasebg.org and upload the dripping shape you just created. It will automatically remove the background for you. Download the cleaned up version. Next, upload the image you want to apply the dripping effect on and remove its background too. Now we have both our elements ready. Now, head back to Canva and upload both images, the dripping shape and the main image. Place the image first, then position the dripping shape on top of it. Resize and adjust it to make it look natural. To make it look even better, you can add shadows, adjust transparency, or play with blending modes. Once you're happy with the result, click on Download and save your design as a PNG. Now, let's move to the next step. Go to erasebg.org and upload the dripping shape you just created. It will automatically remove the background for you. Download the cleaned up version. And that's it. You've successfully created a dripping effect in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next video.